Your brain loves to please you. And it is the most accurate and efficient recording and feedback device on the planet. This is why we must be aware of the things that we hear, see, do, and engage in to the best of our ability, because the brain is recording everything. This is why discipline, self-awareness, and a consciousness of what it is that you and I engage in as it pertains to the outcomes that we are looking for. If we are trying to do something at a higher level, if we're trying to break habits, if we're trying to build habits, we must govern what it is that we see, hear, what it is that we think, what it is that we touch, what it is that we are around, the energy that is around us to the best of our ability. Some things are out of our control, and this is understandable. However, again, if you want to break through that depression, break through the anxiety, break through the apathy, then you must divest from what it is that you've been doing. You must be aware of the thought patterns that you have created and that the brain has mastered and stored for you and has made easy for you to access. You and I must replace those circuits with circuits that are going to give us a better outcome, that are going to alleviate the depression, the anxiety, and or the apathy, and many, many more ills. We replace those with things that are going to bring us fulfillment, that are going to bring us joy, that are going to bring us the sense of accomplishment. These are the things that we must engage in. We must be aware that this society is designed to make you a consumer. So, with that being something that you and I are aware of, we must at all costs not fall victim to those games. Those games end up leading to things that cause us to engage in behaviors that are usually not beneficial for what it is that we're trying to overcome. Peace.